Howdy everybody, Fidgetum here. Today I'm going to show you the very well documented bypass on the Master 175. Normally I'm not much for bypassing locks like this. I don't know, it doesn't interest me very much, but they use a lot of these at work, and I was like, aren't those the ones that are very easy to bypass? So figured, why not? Let's give it a try. For the record, combination on this lock is 0 all the way. So we're going to scramble that. There we go. Now it is relocked. All right, to do this, it takes a little bit of getting used to. In fact, if you've never done it before, you'll probably want to get 2 of these bypass tools because they're very delicate, and odds are you're going to break one trying. I know I did. All right, so you're going to want to slip it in, and you'll notice the angle that this is going in. It's almost straight out with a slight upward tinge. You're going to hit the third wheel, left side. Third wheel, of course, assuming that the numbers are all in the regularly readable position, not upside down. Then it would be the second wheel. Push in on the shackle, down here, and it opens. Now you're going to want to make sure you do not push on the handle back here because this is very delicate and you'll break it. And the other thing you got to watch out for is sometimes it'll want to go in not at the correct angle. It'll go in like that or some such similar, yeah, like this. That's no good. That's not going to work. Push on that all day, you're not going to get anything. Say, just no, nothing. So it has to be that right angle, and it takes a while to figure it out, but once you've got it, it's very simple. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Bye-bye.